Dear children, today we have continued class 9 and exercise number 2.2 and fourth sum and sixth sum. So fourth sum is very important in the giving in 1 marks and 2 marks, and this sum is are going on 10th class also. Okay, and question: find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following. Now, example sums 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, and different types of examples, children. Okay, first sum. What is the first sum? F of x is equal to x plus 2. Children, zero of the polynomial. I have told in the previous class. So what is the zero of the polynomial? The p of x is equal to 0. That is called as the zero of the polynomial. The p indicates in the polynomial. So this is the f indicates in the polynomial. So f of x is equal to x plus 2 in the given question. So zero of the polynomial. So f of x is equal to 0. This is the formula or definition or anything is there. That is the zero of the polynomial in the given p of x is equal to. So in the given question f of x. So we should give in the p of and f of x. But in the given question only f of x. So f of x is equal to 0. So what about the f of x value question? In the given question x plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. Children, I understand f of x takes value in the given question x plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So we should find the x value. Children, so x is equal to, what about the x is equal to? Plus 2 transpose to LHS to RHS, we must change the sign. So plus 2 we must change the value for minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. This is the finish. Okay children, are you understand? Next again, this is the very important sum, seventh sum. In this case, seventh sum, f of x, seventh sum. Okay children? So seventh sum, f of x is equal to pf plus q. So p is not equal to 0. Okay children? So what about the zero of the polynomial? Children. Can you told children? Yes, f of x is equal to 0. What about the given question? F of x test value is p. In the given question, px plus q is equal to 0. So f of x is the value is px plus q. So we should find the px. We should find the x value. So x value is in one side and constant numbers is other side. So q is the constant term, children. So we have to transpose to LHS to RHS. So why should we change the RHS to value for children? Yes, correct. Can you guess? Yes, correct. So minus q. Why? Because the LHS to RHS. So we must change the sign value minus q. So we should find the value for what is about the x? Yes, correct. X value. So x is equal minus q by p, children. This is the x value. This is the zero of the polynomial of p of px plus q. Okay children, are you understood? Okay children, shall I wrap? Children, okay, next again 2x minus 3, fourth sum. Okay children, next again fourth sum. Any sum we have to do it in the same method, children. Just we can observe in the sums, children, very easy. F of x is equal to 2x minus 3 in the given question. Again we should write 0 of the polynomial. What about the formula, children? 0 of the polynomial. Yes, correct. F of x is equal to 0. What about the f of x value, children? Yes, in the given question 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay children, next we have to do it. What about the do it, children? Yes, x value is in one side, constant numbers is one side. So first 2x is equal to the minus 3 transpose to RHS, we must change the sign plus 3. So x is equal, children, the 2 is the into is the, we can write the divided. 2 is into LHS to transpose to RHS, this is the into, we can divide the we can do the divide. So x value is the 3 by 2 children. Okay, it's very easy sums. Yeah, in these sums are given in 10th class also children. Okay, next to 8th sum. Next 6th sum children. 6th sum. In the given question, if 0 and 1 are the 0 of the polynomial f of x is equal to 3x cube minus x square a plus ax plus b, find a and b values. Very easy children. In the given two values in the given, we should substitute in the polynomial equation. So how do you about the value first? To the sum is a and b value find out. Okay. Listen children. Solution. First we have to given in the polynomials x, that is the f of x. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is the given position is there children. Okay, next given in the a value, x value is 0 and x value is 1. This is the 0 of the polynomial. So first one, x is equal to 0. Then we should substitution in the x place value 0 in the given polynomial equation. So can we get yes, f of 0 is equal, next 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b. Okay children. Next, what about the value? So 2 0 0 0. So a 0. So children, just listen carefully. This is the solution last but one right in the 0. Why? Because the given question 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. What about the formula children? Yes, f of x is equal to 0. So the solution is polynomial is equal to 0. We should put the is equal to 0. So 0 0 plus a into 0 0 b is equal to 0 children. So therefore b is equal to 0 in the this is the first equation children. Again x is equal to next value in the given question 1. Again we should do substitution in the polynomial equation. Then f of 1 children, again 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. Why? Because children, sir, the given question 0 of the polynomial, the 0 of the polynomial definition is the polynomial or equation is equal to 0 children. So 2 into 1 cube means 1, 2 minus 3 plus a plus b. What about the b value by above children? From 1, we should write in the from 1. What about the b value? 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, what about the value? 2 minus 3. So minus 1 plus a is equal to 0 children. So therefore, the minus value transfers to RHS, that is equal to 1. So therefore, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. What about the find the a and b values children? Yes, correct. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. The models for in the next sums children. Okay children? Are you understood children? Okay children, thank you.